Best setting RSI EMA 200 for scalping entry gold scalping M5 Forex crypto backtesting. If you are still accustomed to scalping Forex or gold using RSI in the old or traditional way, it's time to change that approach. Because the method we are about to discuss is an upgrade from the traditional methods of scalping Forex and gold, yielding better results. We have conducted backtesting with 100 trades in the gold market or ZOSD on the M5 timeframe using this scalping strategy. And here are the results we obtained. Hello everyone, welcome to the Forex Crypto Backtesting channel. As we discussed at the beginning of the video, this M5 scalping strategy will only use 2 indicators. And you can use these indicators for free on any platform such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, TradingView, and others. If you are using the MetaTrader platform, whether it's MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5, here's how to configure it. Open your MT5 application, then go to the Insert tab, select Indicators, choose Trend, and then select Moving Average. Next, in the Period tab, change the number to 200. For the method option, choose Exponential. After that, customize the line color according to your preference and click OK. After that, go back to the Insert tab, then select Indicators, choose Oscillator, and select Relative Strength Index. In the Period section, change the number to 50. Customize the color according to your preference. Next, go to the Levels tab. To set the RSI levels, double-click on the number, change 30 to 50, and remove the level 70. Finally, adjust the line color according to your preference. Click OK when you're done. And now, your indicators are ready for use. However, if you are using the TradingView platform, you can follow these steps. Open your TradingView application and go to the Indicator Search tab. Type EMA, and select the default EMA from TradingView. Type RSI or Relative Strength Index and select the default RSI from TradingView. Enter the EMA settings. In the Input tab, change the EMA length to 200. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, customize the EMA color according to your preference and click OK. After that, go into the settings for the RSI or Relative Strength Index indicator. In the Input tab, change the RSI length to 50. Then, go to the Style tab. Remove all markers except for the RSI and RSI middle band. Click OK. Now, the indicator is ready for you to use. This backtesting will be performed on the TradingView platform. Don't worry, even though we are providing an example in TradingView, you can apply the same method in the MetaTrader platform. If the candlestick price breaks out or is above the EMA 200 line, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, if the candlestick price breaks out or is below the EMA line, it indicates a bearish trend. Then, the RSI indicator will be used as a trigger for entry into the market. If the RSI signal line crosses above the level of 50, it's a buy signal. Conversely, if the RSI signal line crosses below the level of 50, it's a sell signal. Now, let's discuss how to execute buy and sell orders using the Relative Strength Index and Moving Average. How to place a buy order using RSI and Moving Average. If the candlestick breaks out or is above the EMA 200 line, it signals a bullish trend, and our focus is on finding a buy entry point. Wait for the RSI line to cross above the 50 level. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bullish one. If all conditions are met, execute a buy entry after the bullish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing low. Then, use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order using RSI and Moving Average. If the candlestick breaks out or is below the EMA 200 line, it signals a bearish trend, and our focus is on finding a sell entry point. Wait for the RSI line to cross below the 50 level. As confirmation, ensure that the formed candlestick is a bearish one. If all conditions are met, execute a sell entry after the bearish candlestick is closed. Place the stop loss at the most recent swing high. Then, use a take profit target with a risk-reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Before we proceed with backtesting using the RSI and moving average indicators, let's set the pair and time frame. Set the pair to gold or XAU/USD and adjust the time frame to 5 minutes. Before initiating the backtesting process, let's review the current backtest conditions. If the conditions do not align with the previously defined steps for placing buy or sell orders, we refrain from executing any buy or sell orders. The data table for this backtesting is a compounding data table, and you can download it from the video link in the upper right corner or from the description column. Now, let's proceed with backtesting for a total of 100 trades using this scalping trading method. After completing the backtesting for this M5 Forex scalping strategy, here are the results. 1. When using this compounding entry data table, you only need to fill in the number of pips for stop loss, the number of pips for profit, and the initial capital. For detailed instructions on how to fill it out, refer to the video description. 2. The backtesting for this M5 scalping strategy on gold was conducted between November 2023 and January 2024. 3. This scalping backtesting uses the gold pair on the M5 timeframe, or XAU/USD M5. 4. The scalping trading strategy employs a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. 5. Observing the account graph data, it is evident that this scalping strategy exhibits a relatively stable growth. This stability is reflected in the graph, which moves steadily. 6. We conducted 100 trades during this backtesting, with 59 wins and 41 losses. Consequently, the M5 scalping trading strategy boasts a win rate of 59%. 7. The scalping trading strategy achieved a profit of approximately 13 pips during the backtest. 8. If starting with an initial capital of around $1,000 and employing regular lot sizing with a compounding system, the projected profits would be approximately $154 with a 3% risk, $268 with a 5% risk, and $602 with a 10% risk. 9. In terms of account growth, you would expect around 15% with a 3% risk, 27% with a 5% risk, and 60% with a 10% risk. 10. The scalping trading strategy achieved its largest single trade win with a profit of 222 pips, and its largest single trade loss with a deficit of 114 pips. 11. As a final piece of information, this scalping trading method achieved a winning streak of 8 consecutive trades, and a losing streak of 4 consecutive trades. That data represents the backtesting results when using a regular lot size with a compounding system. However, if you use a greedy and irregular lot sizing approach, the trading data may differ. We strongly recommend sticking to measured lot sizes using the previously discussed table. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes our video for today, and see you in the next one.